Good afternoon. Welcome back to Gardening at Home with Liz. Today I'm here in our California native basin meadow where we have planted many different types of California native plants. And today we're going to talk about how these native plants survive for months and months and months with no water at all. So all these plants have evolved to develop different traits for saving water. So a common one that you see with California natives is gray, green, or bluish white leaves. So this is a white sage, and like most plants this color, it reflects the sunlight, which keeps the plant a cooler temperature. Another technique plants use are developing little hairs on their leaves. That fuzziness allows the plant to capture moisture in the air and drip it down onto its roots. Another cool evolution is the coast live oak, which has a waxy surface on its leaf and little tiny spikes on the leaves, and that collects condensation from the marine layer that rolls in the early morning and directly drips the water droplets down onto the roots of the plant. It's like the plant created its own drip system. Another thing some natives do is photosynthesize through their stems. So the plants lose a lot of water through their leaves, so if they are stressed, they can drop their leaves and still photosynthesize with the stem, which I think is pretty cool. So if you want to have natives at your house or grow them in your yard, you should know that during the hot summer months, August, September, October, your plants are going to brown out a little bit. Some of them might go completely dormant, and some of them might just look a little bit leggy and not their usual green selves that you see in the winter. So to help them stay healthy and bounce back really good in the fall, you can trim them a bit to send the energy back to the roots. So with this California sagebrush, I'm going to cut it back about 2 or 3 feet, and I can already see the new baby branches coming where I cut. So that's essentially where I want to cut down to, where I see the new leaves coming. And then I can lay the branches that I cut around the base of the plant as mulch, which will help hold moisture in the soil. And as soon as the weather cools down, your plants will bounce back really nicely. So that was it for Gardening with Natives today. We'll talk more about natives in another one of our videos, and I look forward to seeing you next week.